Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So ngayon manonood ako ng Miss Bicolandia 2025 dito sa Jesse Robredo Coliseum. So nabigyan pala ako ng VIP ticket ni Sir Rico na aking co-teacher and also my professor sa master study. So ito pala ang itsura ng VIP ticket. So ito ang daming mga tao and we're just waiting for the program to start. So the program was opened by our Mayor Leni Robredo. And sila naman yung mga host. Alam ko dyan, isa dyan si Joy Barcoma which will be representing the Philippines sa Miss Earth Beauty Pageant. And nag-start na yung program with an opening dance number with the candidates. At ito na po sila. And after yan, introduction ng mga candidates one by one. So ito palang isa kong student dito nakasali, si Rica Stephanie Ubaldo. So she is a second year student ng BS Nursing sa University of Nueva Cáceres. And then the other candidates na kasali rin dito is si Lizelle Inigo, who is now a registered nurse, also my student before. And after nyan, yung swimsuit competition agad. And here are my students again, si Rica and Lizelle. Then after that, nagkaroon naman ng special award sa sobrang dami. And good thing, may award din yung aming mga student, si Rica at si Lizelle. Ito naman yung part na pinapakilala yung mga judges ng competition. Kasama ko pala dito sa VIP ay si Ma'am Jeremy, na kasama ko dati sa UNC as clinical instructor and also kasama ko sa duty sa City Health Office 2. At ito naman ang evening competition na lahat ng candidates nakasuot ng puti. Then, intermission number by River Joseph ng PBB. At ito na po ang announcement ng top 10. At ito naman yung question and answer portion.
And I want to remind you to clean every space that you enter. It may be in the classrooms, workplaces, or even the local governments. If you are a Bicolana, I believe I want to remind you. And the stereotype that I want to bring is that women are shallow. Women are only focused on outer beauty because women are more than that. We vulnerable to natural disaster, leaving a place because we continue to try and live out.
Then, top 5. And ito na po ang awarding na ating top 5 from 4th runner-up until Miss Bicolandia. The winner is Iris Oresca from Naga City. So that ends my video for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye-bye. Eman Stories.